So it actually hit me one day, and I created this simple jig that I use to get me out of measuring and marking anything. It only took me 5 minutes to build it, and it takes about a minute to set it up. So I'm going to show you how to build it and demonstrate how I use it to get a perfectly fitting half lap joint. All right, get you a threaded insert and a bolt, whatever size you have is fine. I use a 1/4 because I think it's the most common, and I have a whole bunch of different sizes of these. So I'm gonna use a 1/4, and if you use a 1/4, one of these kind of threaded inserts, the kind you spin in, not the kind you hammer in. You can use a 3/8 inch bit, and you want to drill it pretty close to the bottom, but you still want it to be, you know, it used to be close to the bottom, but you still want it to have strength. You want to drill a hole all the way through. All right, get some CA glue and some of the spray. And your Allen wrench, put it in there. So you got your two pieces of wood. One with your threaded insert in your screw, or I'm sorry, in your bolt. And you got your just plain old pretty looking piece of wood. All right, next step. I mean, you're done building. You're done building it now. This is it. I'm going to show you how to use it now. Take one of these things and find the middle of your board. You know how to do that. I'm going to mark it for you so you can see it better. Put your saw hide out that line. Now, you're going to measure the width of your piece of wood that you're going to be half lapping. Whatever the measurement was for the width of your piece, you need the length of your nut and the width of your saw blade to equal that amount exactly. So mine was 1.5 inches, so I need the length of my nut and the saw blade to be 1.5 inches. So I'm going to do some adjustments. Hold your nut steady and tighten the bolt. You want it nice and tight. Double check it. Perfect. We're all set. Ignore mine. Mine's a little bit fancy. You're probably just going to clamp yours to it. Mine screws onto my T-track. I can't wait to show you guys everything that this fence that I built can do. But for now, you're just going to clamp yours on. And then when you build this badass fence, then you can slide it on like mine and screw it together. I use 1/4 bolts because it's the most common size, I feel like, and I have a whole bunch of different lengths of it. So I recommend getting a whole bunch of different sizes of 1/4 bolts so that you can do any size half laps that you want. I mean, you can get them as long as you want pretty much. So you don't have to just do skinny half laps like me. This is just for a demonstration. First thing you're gonna do, butt it up against a blank piece of wood. That's your first cut. All right, now what you want to do, butt it up against your nut. Make your cut. That's your second cut. Now all you got to do is hog out the middle. You can use a dado blade or a regular blade to do this. Dado blades are nice and quick, but a regular blade does just fine. And after you get your first piece to fit snug, get your other board out and repeat the whole process. Only this time you can trust that your jig will give you perfect results. You can leave your square in your pocket. So that's it. I like to keep it simple. If you want to come with me on my journey, click here. If you want to see me dance like Michael Jackson, click here.